Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating easy bottlenecks. Swap to DisplayPort or HDMI 2. Zero cable and confirm the monitor is set to its native resolution and highest refresh rate. Once done, pick a preset like sRGB or a calibrated custom mode and turn off dynamic contrast or eco features that alter gamma. Make sure your GPU driver is up to date. Drivers communicate color and timing correctly. These first actions ensure you're working from an accurate baseline before deeper tweaks. Next, refine color and tone. If you have a colorimeter, run a hardware calibration profile. Without one, use built-in OS or monitor software and a decent test image. Adjust brightness to roughly 120 to 140 CD/M2 so blacks aren't crushed but highlights remain clear, and tweak contrast until shadow detail is preserved. Set white point to 6500 K and gamma to 2. 2 for balanced midtones. Once profiles are applied, make sure the profile is active in your display settings. Finish by addressing motion and clarity. Enable overdrive or response time only enough to cut ghosting without introducing inverse artifacts. For sharpness, avoid heavy in-monitor sharpening. Instead, use GPU scaling or render at native resolution and let the OS handle scaling for crisp text. Test with photos, video, and text to ensure consistency across content. If things look off, revert to your backup calibration profile and rerun a quick calibration. This troubleshooting step saves time if settings break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.